Hello my beautiful people, my name is Bronzy and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, we will be doing a freestyle Femi beauty method with Enail Couture's 123 5XL full cover tips. And here I'm showing you the full cover tips. And these glitter mixes that I received from Miss Galore. You can follow her on her YouTube and her Instagram. I will leave everything in the description box down below. And look at these acrylics. These are so beautiful. It's a purple with glitter in it and a pink. It's really gorgeous. Also, I will be using this size 10 Niceneeded acrylic brush. And I will go ahead and swatch these so you guys can see how beautiful they are. You know, it was really nice of her to send me these custom special acrylic mixes with glitter in it. She sent me about, I believe it was like 5 or 6 of them. And they are so gorgeous. And these two right here, I was really drawn to them. All right, so right here, I will be applying my peel-off base. I use some cuticle oil along with a base coat. And guys, I forgot to mention, this is my first video of the year. I hope everyone had a very happy New Year's and you were safe out there. So happy 2022. So here I did apply some primer to the inside of each nail to kind of etch it. So that way the acrylic could adhere to it really well. Alright, so as you can see, I am applying acrylic to the inside of the nail of the full cover tip. I do apply the end first to the free edge, and then I will turn it around and I will apply to the nail bed, and I will go ahead and apply it to my nail. And sometimes you will have spillage, sometimes you won't. But if you do have spillage, make sure you go ahead and wipe around the edges of your nail to clean up the spillage, so that way the acrylic won't stick to your skin. As you know, as you can see, this is the Femi Beauty Lazy Girl method. I really gravitate to this method. It's much easier, it's much quicker. I mean, I see a lot of people do this method. They do it with either acrylic, or they do it with polygel, or they just do it with like gel. And as you can see, I do apply it to the top of the nail to fill in the gaps that the acrylic because the acrylic kind of moves when you apply it to your nail. So what I do is I do apply some to the top of the nail to kind of fill in those spaces or those gaps. All right, so here I only did like 2 nails on camera, a pink one so you guys can see how it looks, and then I also did a glitter one so you guys can see how I did the glitter, how I applied the glitter as well. And you will also see that I do fill in the spaces with the glitter as well, and I do encapsulate it. I use a milky I'm sorry, no, I do encapsulate the top so when I do go to foul, it won't foul away the glitter. But you will also see that I do show some acrylic. It's clear. I use this milky acrylic for the inside of the glitter. I just mix some white acrylic with some clear acrylic to get that milky consistency. And if you do decide to do this method, make sure when you do apply your acrylic, make sure it's full on the other side. Make sure it's not like big gaps, but if it is big gaps or anything on the other side, you can just fill it in with the acrylic that you use. And make sure that you spread out underneath it so that way it won't be like clump underneath your nail as well. So right here you see that I am applying the I am encapsulating the top of the nail. It's sorry that I'm out of frame, but you know when you get into your nails, you know sometimes I be forgetting that I am filming. But yeah, so right here I'm just showing you how to encapsulate the nails so when I go to foul, it won't foul away the glitter. Alright, so right here I am using that little cute petite drill that I did review on my last video. I am using this one to file around my cuticle area. This drill is, I realized how powerful this drill was, but it's really good. I really enjoy using this drill. It's so quick to pick up, and I just kind of find myself gravitating to it and picking it up and doing my nails with it. So yeah, so right here, as you can see, I am filing around the cuticles, and I do file with a 100-180 grit file. right, so as you can see right here, I am using this to clean up my more around my cuticles. I am using this fine drill bit. The first one that I used, the green one, that's a fine drill bit as well, just to get around my cuticles and kind of buff the nails. And then this one is a fine drill bit as well to clean up around my cuticles. I really do hope you guys are enjoying this video. Sorry, I don't know if you guys like the more lengthy videos that I do, or do you guys like me when I do the short videos. Please let me know down in the comments which type of videos you like. This is a freestyle video, and I really do enjoy using Enail Couture's 123 Go full cover nail tips. I'm about to be a pro using these things, girl. Yes, I am. But you know, but I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and let me know down in the comments below if you enjoy the more lengthy, or do you enjoy more of the short videos. Okay, as you can see, I am using I don't really know what these things are called. Are they called like nail drills? I'm not sure what they're called, but one thing I can say, if you do decide to use this to pierce, or maybe it's a nail piercer, but if you do decide to use this, please be careful with it, because I did poke my knuckle, but I didn't realize that I did it to like after I was done. But yeah, please be careful with it, because it's very dangerous. You can have somebody help you do the piercing for your nail. But yeah, I'm using this to put on a charm, a dangly charm. I thought this charm was so cute. It does say Chanel on it, and I thought it went really well with with my nail concept. See how cute that look? It really set the set off. It really set the set off. Get it? Anyway, but I went ahead and did my my pointer finger to with the stickers and the charms, because I wanted to kind of see how it looked. But right here, you do see that I am applying some base coat. You already know that I do apply a base coat before I do apply like any polishes or any top coats. So that way, if I do have any scratches on the nail, the base coat would get into those little scratches, and when I apply the top coat, you won't see those scratches, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so right here I'm just applying the base coat, and then I will apply my top coat. All right, as you see here, I am applying some Makartt nail rhinestone glue to the top of the nails to apply my beautiful charms. All right, so here I am applying these beautiful teddy bears. Like I said, this was a freestyle. I was not sure what I wanted to do, but when I saw these stickers, I was like, okay, let's go with these teddy bears. I think these teddy bears really set this set off. Once again, set the set off. Anywho, but yeah, so I'm using these teddy bear stickers, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see, I am applying some base coat for these gems right here because I won't be keeping these on long. But if you keep your nails on for a long period of time, you can go ahead and use the a Rhinestone nail glue. But as soon as I finished this video, I only kept them on for like maybe a couple of days. It could have been like 1 day, maybe 2 days. But yeah, so that's why I just apply base coat. All right, so we're going to finish off this beautiful set with CandyKoated top coat. And I really like this top coat. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's not watery at all. It applies really smooth. And I will leave the link down below to her website if you are interested in purchasing this top coat, and I will also leave my discount code to get a discount if you are interested in purchasing this beautiful top coat. And all right, so this video is coming to an end. I hope you all enjoyed this freestyle set with these beautiful acrylic mixes that Miss Galore gifted me. And let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button and make sure you click on the notification bell so you won't miss my next upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next upload. Until then, toodles!